It is the last of the snowfall out there this morning. Some light snow and flurry activity through central parts of the state, back to the west as well through the Monadnock region and farther north, while from about Peterborough east through Manchester, Londonderry, going out through Portsmouth, it was a band of heavier snowfall that came through overnight. A very localized band that went from the coast to about back through Jaffrey, and that produced upwards of an additional 8 inches of snow, while again, the farther north and west you go, you stayed out of that heavier snow band. You saw an additional light coating to maybe an inch or two in spots. Roadways will be slick early this morning. Area of low pressure will continue to slowly shift away through the day today. That means the areas of snow we have out there this morning diminishing to partial sunshine by later this afternoon. Wind out of the north and northwest, gusting over 20 to 25 miles an hour through the day. High temperatures mid-20s to mid-30s and a few gusts over 30 miles an hour closer to the shoreline. Again, just depends on exactly where you are. The farther west and north you go, the quicker you get a couple of sunny breaks into the afternoon as the light snow continues to diminish. While closer you are to the shoreline, we continue to see the areas of light snow through about midday before the system continues to move away. There's your mid-20s to mid-30s before ultimately dropping back into the teens and 20s later on tonight with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow, partial sunshine as we get started with a few flurries possible in the afternoon. There will be an additional snow shower possible Thursday with another disturbance gliding in from the west. And then a few areas of light snow are a possibility with a weak Alberta Clipper type system on Friday. Once that moves by, some colder air will start to drive in for the weekend. There'll be a pretty good breeze around with high temperatures only in the 20s on Saturday, and then partly sunny skies for the day on Sunday. And as you notice, we start to warm up Sunday evening, and that could mean a chance of rain or a wintry mix sometime on Monday. So there is a look at the wind, which will continue to gust over 25 to 30 miles an hour, especially closer to the shoreline this afternoon. And then that diminishes down to just a breezy set of circumstances for tomorrow and into Thursday. So we'll continue to watch for some slick areas on the roads this morning, a few areas of snow, and then clearing later this afternoon from west to east. It will be with a chilly breeze, mid-20s to mid-30s before dropping into the teens to lower 20s later on tonight. 30s with partial sunshine and a few late day flurries tomorrow, a passing snow shower Thursday, and the chance of a little bit of light snow on Friday. That will set up the colder temperatures for the weekend.